Hello everyone, my name is Dave. I'm from Kitiwment Studios. I'm a Photoshop and Premiere Pro user. I'm also a movie director. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Okay, let's begin. Hello and welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you what an action is, how to create an action, how to import, and how to also export an action. So without any further ado, let's begin. And besides, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So first of all, what is an action? An action is a recorded series of tasks. So let's say, assuming you are working on project A, everything you do in project A, when you record it, when you are working on project B, you just play the recorded action, and everything you did in project A will be done on project B. So let's begin. So first of all, let's go to window and look for action. The shortcut is Alt F9. So Windows action, the shortcut is Alt F9. So this is our action window. So we want to create a new action. So before we create, just click on this folder and name it whatever you want. Let's say my name is David, so I'll use Dave. So the next thing is the plus here. So the plus says create new action. You click on it. You can also name it if you want, but I'll leave it like that, and you can give it a shortcut. If you don't want any shortcut, you can leave it like that, but if you want shortcut, you can click on the none, and you can assign it to any of the shortcut, the functions key, the F1 to F12. So any key you want. Let's say the shortcut is F8. If you don't like the shortcut, just click on none. If you want the shortcut, you click on any of the function key. So assuming I want to assign the shortcut to F8, and now hit on record. So right now the record is activated. Anything that you do will be recorded in the action. So let's say I want to brighten the picture. So with the adjustment layer, I'll use the curve to darken the image, and I think it's okay. And now I'll create an adjustment layer by clicking on this icon and choose the hue and saturation, and I want to change the color of the green at the background. So let's pick it and drag it. Okay, let me remove all the green. And the next thing we want to do is to add a little blur to it. So Gaussian blur, let's blur the image a little bit. And now the next thing we are going to do is to add a black and white adjustment layer to it. So let's click on this. So right now everything that we did has been recorded. So when we finish and we think it's okay, the next thing we have to do is to click on the stop button. So the next thing we want to do is to reset everything to its previous state. So let's click on history here and click on the first image. So now let's come back to action. Let's click on action, and now your recorded one, it will be here. So Dave is here. So click on action 1 and now press on the play button, and everything you did automatically will be done without worrying about going through the process. So this is how we create an action in Photoshop. So I want us to import a different picture and see whether the action will be applied to that picture. So let's minimize and load this image. And now let's look for our action. Dave, click on the action and now press the play button, and everything you did will be applied to it. Isn't so simple and nice? So the next thing we are going to do is to look at how we can save our action. So for instance, if you want to save the action, click on the folder Dave and now click on this icon and go to save action. So create a folder and save your action. So I'll create a folder on my desktop and I'll name it action. And now you can click on save to save your action. I will delete this action. So the next thing I'm also going to show you is to how to load your action. So click on this icon and come to load actions. Click on load action and go to the folder where you saved your action. This is my folder action. So double click on it for it to open, and now click on it. Click on load and your action is loaded. So now when you press on it, let's reset this back to its previous stage. So this is my action now. Press it again and everything is done. And now everything is done. So let's press it again. Bravo. So this is how you create, you load and also save an action. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and help to share my videos. See you in my next video.